Hello guys, today in this video I will be showing you how you can convert your CSV file, which is a comma separated file, into a JSON file in Python. We will write a simple Python script guys. So we are having this sample CSV file with the name, age, country. So these are basically the headers here. Key value pair. We have three columns here: name, age, country, separated by a comma. So this is comma separated value, and we have rows of data right here. So these are name of the person, age, country, same here, same here, same here. So now you need to convert this data into JSON format. So I have written this Python script, and now if I call this Python script guys, python app.py, on the left hand side you will see a output.json file will be created. If I try to open this file, you will see array of objects will be there. So each of this name has been converted, name, age, country has converted into an individual object separated by curly brackets. So you will see that. So you can write this automation script guys to convert all your CSV file data into a JSON file data. JSON files are very much helpful in building out APIs and getting the communication from different APIs. So it's very helpful file. So we will look at how to do this process in Python. So just make a app.py file guys, and for doing this guys we are not using any third-party module. Simply we are using the built-in modules, which are JSON and CSV. And here we will, in the name function, we will simply call a custom function we will do, which will be JSON to CSV, and we will provide the input file path, so which will be input.csv and output.json. So here I will simply delete this file, and here we will make a new function guys, which will be JSON to CSV, and here you will see the input file and the output file. So first of all guys, what we will do, what we will, we need to do the open function guys. So what, so here this is basically the script. Here we need to first of all, sorry, I will simply copy here and start from scratch. Yeah, just wait guys, sorry. So we just need to call this function by passing the input and the output file name, and just write this function like this. And here, right here, we will now have the open function right here. And here guys, in the open function, we just need to pass the name of the file. This will be input file, and then we just need to read it in the read mode, and then we just need to say as CSV file, and then we will say CSV reader. We will read all the data which is contained inside the CSV file using the CSV module. It contains this method guys, which is dictionary reader, and we will use this pass the path CSV file, and then we will extract all the data from the CSV file, and using this row for row in CSV reader. So now all the data which will be there in the data variable. If you try to print it out, if I run this script, you will see all the data. If you see guys, basically is printed out as an array of objects. So now we simply need to write this data in a JSON file. So what I need to do right here, again we will use the open function. This time we will provide the output file path, and we will write it W, we will provide as a write flag as JSON file, and then we will use the JSON.dump method in order to dump the data inside a JSON file. So this will be JSON file, and we will indentation will be indent to 2. You can give a constant here. For the indentation I am choosing 2 value here. That's all guys. This is all that you need to do to convert your CSV file into JSON. So if I try to basically now run this file, so now your JSON file will be created guys, if you see. So you can see that all these objects have been created. If I try to add some more properties here, name, age, country. So you can see we have added some more properties. So if I try to run this script once again, you will see it will increase these objects. So new objects have been added. You can see separated by a comma. This is a nice little automation script, guys. You can have your CSV file and convert this into JSON by using this simple Python script. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well.